We have some more breaking news coming in. Congress versus BJP explodes over caste census after Amit Shah's census at appropriate time remark. Congress fires salvo, says the self-styled Chanakya has just dropped a bombshell. Congress says yesterday in Chhattisgarh he let out a top secret. He said that the census will be carried out at an appropriate time and that an announcement will be made for it when it is decided. The Congress says such clarity on census that has already been delayed for over 3 years. Ashutosh Mishra is joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Ashutosh, give us more clarity on what exactly the Congress is saying, hitting out at the centre over the caste census.
So it begins by the statement of Amit Shah yesterday in a press conference in Raipur when the question was asked about the caste-based census. He said, as and when the decision will be taken, he will make announcements. So clearly there is not a decision taken yet. Rather, there are reports about that as and when government goes with the census, there will be a separate column which will identify even the caste, and that will also be used as a data for the caste-based census. So Amit Shah's statement was, as and when it will be decided, he will make the announcement. Now the Congress is taking Jairam Ramesh's particular statement that how finally the official statements are coming from the Union Home Minister, and this is exactly what the opposition has been demanding. So the Jairam Ramesh is nothing but the statement says that how the opposition has been demanding, and so far most of the decisions taken by the government looks like somewhere influenced by the opposition's protest or the pressure tactics. So here as well, when such first time such official statement coming from second rank in the government, second topmost rank in the government, so clearly that's also somewhere also firing a salvo. Jairam Ramesh giving out a message that looks like it's a pressure of the opposition, and the finally government officially agrees as far as caste census demand by the opposition is concerned.
Right. Thanks, Ashutosh, for giving us all those details. Let's listen to what Home Minister Amit Shah said.
सर, डेकेडल सेंसस का एक सवाल है, काफी लंबे समय से चला आ रहा है, तो क्या उस पे कोई सर सेंसस का, पॉपुलेशन सेंसस का
वो करेंगे,
कोई डेट बता सकते हैं?
उचित समय पर करेंगे, आप चिंता मत करो।
इसी से जुड़ा हुआ एक और सवाल
जब तय करेंगे तब मैं घोषणा करूंगा कैसे होगा, कब होगा, कैसे होगा।